Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by attaching the correct charger. Use the original adapter or a USB PD/Qualcomm quick charge unit that matches your phone. Once done, switch to airplane mode and close background apps to reduce draw. This makes every watt count. Remove bandwidth and audio accessories. They keep charging slow. Make sure to remove the phone case if it traps heat, because heat reduces charging efficiency. Plug directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or laptop port, so you get full amperage immediately. You now optimize the phone's behavior while charging. Enable battery saver or low power mode so the OS throttles CPU and network activity. Make sure the cable is high quality and matched to the charger. USB-C, properly rated for the current, prevents bottlenecks. Once connected, keep the phone stationary. Frequent screen-on or notifications wake the device and slow charging. Avoid wireless charging. Wired charging delivers more consistent current, so you reach higher battery percentages faster and with less heat. You finish by deciding how full to go. For fast daily top-ups, unplug around 80–90% to avoid slow trickle charging and do a full cycle monthly. If charging stalls or drops, test another charger and cable to isolate hardware. Inspect the port for lint or corrosion. Compressed air or careful cleaning can restore contact. If problems persist, reboot the phone and, if needed, boot into safe mode to check for rogue apps that drain or block charging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.